Hello, my name is Filip. Has your teacher sent you a test which you have printed, completed, and now you want to send it back to them? Or have you done a piece of writing which you want to send to your teacher? Well, in this short video, I'll show you how to turn this into a professional PDF using your phone. The app I recommend using, and the one this tutorial is about, is called HP Smart. It's completely free and it's available on both iOS, Apple and Android Google devices. When you open the app, you'll want to select the camera scan function in the orange box. Once you click on it, it may ask you for the access to your camera, in which case press Allow. This will open up the scanning mode. First, you want to click on Auto at the bottom of that screen. Then, place your phone directly above the page you want to scan. A blue area will appear, which is the app looking for the page to be scanned. When the app finds the page you are trying to scan, it will lift it off the background a little bit and move it in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Now, you can either scan another page or you can tap on the page in the top right-hand corner. When you do so, another screen will appear with all your scanned pages. Here you can either rearrange them or delete them if you want, but when you're finished, click on Share Save at the bottom of your screen. This will bring up another screen where you can rename the file if you want, and when you're done, tap on Share Save at the bottom of your screen. Here you'll see some share options, which will enable you to both save the PDF as well as directly email it to anyone you want. It really is as simple as that.